Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your BMW 3 Series key battery. First, identify your key fob type, as designs can vary slightly. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small parts. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and get your key working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's get inside the key fob. Look for the small release button, usually on the side. Press it firmly and slide out the physical key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the physical key blade back into its slot until it clicks. Before you go, check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Finally, test your newly re-energized key by locking and unlocking your BMW 3 Series to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.